In today's video we will discuss the top 10 most profitable YouTube niches in 2023. You don't want to miss these top 10 niches and why they rank so high. Please make sure you subscribe to the Top 10 Jaw-Dropping Facts channel. New videos release every Monday through Friday. Here is the top 10 most profitable YouTube niches going in 2023. Number 10. Video games. Video games, one of the biggest niches on YouTube. Whether it's reviews, advanced walkthroughs, or simply gameplay with engaging commentary, gaming content can earn passionate YouTubers several million views. In fact, several of the most subscribed channels and highest-earning YouTubers, such as PewDiePie, fall into the gaming niche. On average, creators in this niche see CPM rates of around $1.40. Number 9. Fitness and bodybuilding. Like cooking channels, fitness and bodybuilding content has seen a significant rise in popularity. From beginners yoga to weighted jump ropes for muscle growth, YouTuber audiences flock to channels that help them reach their body goals. Advertisers acknowledge that, with average CPM rates of $1.60. Number 8. Cooking. Especially during the pandemic, cooking channels saw an incredible boost. More and more people are turning to YouTube for recipe inspiration, to level up their kitchen skills, or to watch others' amazing creations. Cooking channels are fairly profitable in terms of CPM rates, with average values at $2.50. Number 7. Fashion and try-on hauls. It used to be the likes of Vogue and Cosmo that set the trends and shaped popular opinion on fashion. Now, it's creators on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. Fashion YouTubers are among the most popular influencers, and content such as try-on hauls can earn them average CPM rates of $3.13. Number 6. Lifestyle. One of the most popular types of YouTube content is the lifestyle niche. Viewers love to follow other people's travels and their careers, glimpse into their homes and stay tuned on their relationships. And advertisers know this. On average, lifestyle YouTubers can expect CPM rates of $3.47. Number 5. Tech, cars, and gadgets. Another high-earning niche is the anything to do with technology, especially cars and gadgets. Whether it's a review of the new MacBook Air, a comparison between Nikon and Fuji cameras, or a test drive in a new Ferrari, advertisers love content in this niche. Within it, there's a range of CPM rates. Photography YouTubers, for instance, can see rates as high as $7.31, while average CPM rates for car channels lie at $4.32. General tech channels can expect $2.39 per 1,000 clicks. One thing you need to take into account if you're thinking of joining this niche, there are a lot of associated costs. Even if your earnings are higher, you often need to invest in the tech you review or compare before you can start earning an income. Number 4. Educational content. Next up is a fairly broad category, educational content. Some of the most subscribed YouTube channels out there focus on education content for kids. But also adult topics are in hot demand, ranging from history to how to use Microsoft Office. On average, YouTubers in this niche see CPM rates of $9.89. Number 3. Personal finance and investments. In third place is another money-related niche, personal finance and investments. Channels in this niche give advice on anything from stock market terminology to making money through crypto. Creators see CPM rates of up to $12. Number 2. Digital marketing. Next up, digital marketing has the second highest income potential on YouTube. Social media marketing channels, for instance, see average CPM rates of $12.52. Number 1. Making money online. To start with, the single most profitable YouTube niche is strategies for making money online. Countless people flock to YouTube to find out how to generate income in the digital sphere. On average, creators in this niche see a CPM of $13.52. Some sub-niches are even more profitable. Content centered around making money through affiliate marketing can reach CPM heights of up to $22. With this list you will have the opportunity to go out and create your own YouTube channel and know in advance which niches have a high CPM so you can make money. I hope you enjoyed our breakdown of the top 10 most profitable YouTube niches in 2023. Please leave a comment below for any niches you think we missed. Do not forget to subscribe to the Top 10 Jaw-Dropping Facts channel. And new episodes release every Monday through Friday.